If you've been following this channel, you know that I love nature, but I do have problems with things coming into my yard, right? Whether they be baby bunnies and my dog getting them, or bugs and stuff. And so what I do, every season I like to put this layer of insecticide down, kind of like you would with fertilizer, right? I've got my little spreader here, and you read the instructions on the back of the insecticide and you apply as needed. It's a really easy job, and you just kind of put it on like this. You don't want to overdo it, you don't want to underdo it. Again, read those instructions really well. You can check out the description below for links to various insecticides that I have found that have good reviews and are generally, they're toxic, right? It's an insecticide, but generally something that I think is healthier, or a more nature-friendly way to go, if that makes sense. And definitely I focus on the perimeter of my property. My back property butts up to some kind of wild nature, meaning there's no houses or anything back there. So I definitely think there are more insects coming in through there, so I definitely focus a little bit more on the perimeter. But that is what I do every season, and it seems to help a lot. So thanks so much.